The Child Protection Network under the Ikeja local government area of Lagos State and the Okera community have engaged relevant stakeholders on a one-day sensitization and awareness to curb all forms of child abuse within Ikeja, Ogba and Ifako, following the statistics of pending cases across various courts in Lagos State. This also was done in observation of the Day of the African Child. The occasion was also a collaboration between the Child Protection Network and other non-governmental organizations such as Denny's Social Welfare Hub, Human Rights Defenders, and other reputable institutions to share ideas with the children and to get a sure-lasting solution to the menace of child abuse in our society.
For UNICEF, we'll be able to release children from prison, from correctional centers, and from adult prison too. It was, and the program, in fact, it was almost like 2 years that we did the program, and it has been an awesome thing working with children on the streets. Well, as CSO that we are here in Okera at the moment, we are Child Protection Network of Ikeja under CPN Nigeria, and we have been doing a wholesome and a group of NGOs that works in different areas for children. We have those that are working with street children. We have those that are working with the one that people that have CSO that have shelter. We also have those that are working with children in conflict with the law. We have people that are working with the return migrant children. So we have been doing a wholesome. So I believe CSO still need to do more to assist government to achieve their goals.
In an exclusive interview with the Vice Coordinator of the Child Protection Network Ikeja chapter, Olalade Hector, he commended the state government on its proactive and real-time responses to manage all degrees of child abuse.
It's an epidemic. It's a colossal epidemic. So that's why we start with prevention. You know, when a child knows that, oh, this is abuse, some don't even know. When you touch them in some places, they don't know it's not right, you know. So we start with prevention. Then prevent and respond. Child protection is what I said. So we respond to cases of abuse. We have numbers. If you see most of our materials have numbers. I don't know if you can see this, you know, numbers where they can call and all that. So when they call, the protocol is there. We engage the police, we engage the MYSD at the LG level, and we get the perpetrator prosecuted.
Representatives from the non-governmental organizations representing couldn't hide their optimism on the partnerships and interactions. This they made known to our reporters.
We are non-governmental organization that handle child abuse. In most cases, like some of our cases, we just prosecuting right now in the Ogba Magistrate Court, Court 3 and Court 2 and Court 1. A case of 8 years child that was raped by a 17-year-old boy. And also we have another case of a 60-year-old man that raped 12-year-old child, that is a girl. So which we have already prosecuted, and presently as I'm talking to you now, those people are in prison custody and the case is still on.
We're actually working on achieving a society that can be free from rape and any other assaults of children, women, and adults, so that children and everyone can live a life with a secured well-being, so that they can live a life that they know that as an African child, they have the right to live a better life.
I believe we start from community, which is what we are doing now. We are giving awareness, and also, it is when they are encouraged. When you see them on the road, you encourage them. And as our logo, they said, if you see, you don't talk, you are part of them. So we are just making awareness that now we are making sure that when you see such like this, you voice out. Go to the next security man around and announce and point out. I've done it so many times, whereby I see children and a lady sitting down, I'll just call a police or neighborhood, I'll just say, check it out. And we find it that it is true. So we have to have our eyes open wide and pick out the wrong in our society.
Denny's Social Welfare Hub and other guests at the occasion seized the opportunity to solicit on behalf of the Child Protection Network to the Lagos State government on the need for speedy interventions by making available the necessary tools and support required to explore their potential when necessary. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.